In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50i, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. Then launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then click on this gear at the top left corner after selecting Consent to adjust all of those settings however you want to. When you finish, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and over here decide where you wish to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!